We are with one pregnant cow and a hat. Who's that over there? Hey, Barbie's getting a hug from Olivia, and she's obviously has not had her calf yet. So we're out here looking for calves. None right here, so we'll just keep looking. And here's a picture of Chloe with Miss Olivia. Chloe's hasn't had her calf yet either. And next to her is Steve. He's a steer. Now we're going to go down here and check and see if there's any calves down there. And here's Kelsey over in the woods. I'm going to go by her. She hasn't had her calf yet either. Hey, Kelsey. And then down here is Virginia, and she hasn't had her calf either. And this is Riley, another one of our pregnant cows. Morning, Riley. And down there is Brittany. She's had her calf in January. And we have some cows down in that lower pasture. Actually, just a cow and a steer. Missy and her son Henry escaped to that lower pasture. We'll do that again. How many calves did we have today?
0.
0 calves. Maybe later today. Just checking that bowl. No grain there. Come on out, Alice. There's your food. Come on, Alice. Come on. Yeah, I know. He's posturing for you, but you can push him away. There you go. There's Alice and her baby, Emma Ray. Hey, Emma Ray. How are you this morning? Did you have a nice sleep last night? Huh? Emma Ray's kind of shy. Hey, little girl. He's kind of moving away from you here. There we go. Good morning, little baby. Tomorrow you'll be 1 week old. She's 6 days old right now.